How do you say, do you have a reservation in Malay? There are many ways to say this. The first one is, ada tempahan, ada tempahan, ada to have, tempahan reservation. Alternatively, by adding the word buat. Ada buat tempahan, ada buat tempahan. Buat means to do or to make. Another way is by mixing the English word reservation. Ada reservation, ada reservation, or ada buat reservation, ada buat reservation. Another variation is by using the English verb reserve. Ada reserve tempat ke? Ada reserve tempat ke? Tempat means spot or place. And just to add another one to the long list is, ada reserve tempat tak? Ada reserve tempat tak?